A big shop needs powerful technology behind it. At Hyphen Technologies, we design the digital backbone that keeps large retail spaces running smoothly. High-performance business laptops, powerful desktops, crystal-clear monitors, and printers built to keep your team productive from the first task to the last. From IT infrastructure, servers, and networking to cloud-ready systems, we build strong technology foundations. We secure and connect your business with cybersecurity, firewall, CCTV, access control, and modern communication solutions. Our dedicated team not only provides expert guidance to choose the best solutions, but also stands with you after the sale with premium support, including warranty assistance and priority service. We maintain one of the strongest inventories in the region. Whether you need 1 laptop or 1,000 laptops, we ensure one-day delivery, fast, reliable, and always on time.